emotions. It has been TNT all the way during the game, especially after 30-point quarters in the first half. Was this win a case of great defense of TNT limiting SMB offensively, or a case of efficient offense with TNT shooting at 50% from the field?
Well, anytime you come out with a victory like this, it's always a combination of both. But it was very important for us to get our offense on track because the way to beat a team like San Miguel is to make sure that you're scoring. We worked on that, talked long about that, and fortunately we shot well from the field for the first time in the series. But I think the most important thing was we put the whole complete game together. And the only thing that we wrote on the board before the game was 48. We wrote the number 48 in our board because that's the way to beat a team like this, to play good basketball for 48 minutes. Last game, we played well for 36 minutes. We lost in the end. Game 2, again, we played a very poor first half. So today that was, fortunately, we were able to come and deliver for the entire 48 minutes.
Thank you, Coach Chot. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach John, congratulations. Coach, how did you talk a long hard look yourself and say na hindi sayang yung nangyari ng gameplay, but it's an indication that you can beat San Miguel as long you can finish the job?
Well, we just took a longer, a bigger perspective. Sabi namin, yeah, we lost in the last 1 minute, but I just reminded the players, we got into the finals with the same way. We won in the last 43 seconds, right? We scored 8 points in 43 seconds. So, ganun talagang basketball. That's how sports is. So, I said, let's put this behind us. Henry Galinato was very, very down on himself after the game, and I said, forget it. Hats off to CJ. He made a tough shot, and then he made a three-pointer in front of Calvin. Those were not open looks, and like it's a basketball truism, right? Great offense will always beat great defense. I thought we played great defense, but CJ made a couple of super plays, and there's nothing you can do but tip your hat. So yun ang pinag-usapan namin. All we can do is just to move on, go to the next, and fortunately the players responded.
Calvin, sa inyong mga players, paano napag-usapan yun after na kayo ng 50 seconds, then nawala yun sa second glove?
Yun yung sabi ni Coach, nakita namin si Henry na umiyak doon sa kanya. Kasi syempre, as a player, may mga ganun kang emotion, lalo na sa mga ganung bagay. Pero sabi nga namin, until the buzzer, tumunog yung buzzer, huwag kami mag-celebrate. Celebrate early, hat off na yan, hat off to CJ. Grabe yung kumpiyansa ng tao, kilala ko naman si CJ talaga. Pero yun, sa practice namin, sinabi lang namin, tiwala lang talaga. Ito, we have a chance for a best of 3. We'll take it.
Coach, good evening. Coach, did you come out with a sense of urgency going to this?
I thought naman in all the games we came out with a lot of urgency, but not with a lot of precision. So sabi namin, like in game 3, we had 8 turnovers right in the first quarter. So that fueled San Miguel's offense. So namin, let's just get good shots. Hindi naman shoot lahat ng tira namin, pero huwag namin ibigay sa kalaban. Okay, now don't give them those opportunities, because if you give a team like that those opportunities, mahirapan ka talaga. So I thought today, just like every game, we came out with a lot of urgency, but we coupled that now with some precision and some accuracy.
Did you put your best team sa finance? Kung mo tutuloy na kayo?
Happy lang ako the way we respond to it. Hindi lang naman ako, yung mga bigs namin, Jordan, yung mga pasa ni Jordan. And every game naman is a different game. kung ano yung approach ko ngayon, kung ano yung, ano ko yung mga ganyan na nakukuha ko ngayon dali ko sa next game, kung ano yung mga mali, mag-adjust ako.
The win came up with a prize following Roger Hoge's injuries hamstring.
Yeah, again, to be honest, hindi naman kasi dapat naglalaro si Roger eh. But pinilit lang natin niya talaga because si Kim Orin also was out with back spasms. Kaya game 3, hindi siya nakalaro. He was not even able to practice last night. So, yesterday. So, kapos talaga kami. And that's why napilitan talaga maglaro ni Roger. But he's not, his hamstring is not yet fully healed. And we saw that. Hopefully, I don't know, pero it doesn't look good. But like Calvin said, nandito na kami. We put ourselves in position, so we'll just continue trying.
And that sums up our post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again to TNT.
Thank you.
Good night.